Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the lecture number 13 of class 9th, subject computer, chapter number 3. In the previous lecture, we have learned about the need of the computer requirement, the need of the computer network. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the basics of data communication. First of all, you must know about the data communication. Data communication refers to exchange of messages, exchange of information between sending and receiving devices, sending and receiving computers through some communication medium. These communication are actually information which can be presented in many forms like text, number, image, audio and video. All these are called information you can share between two computers, two devices called sending and receiving. Here are some basic components of the communication system. A communication system is used to transfer data from one point to other, from one device to other, from one computer to other. The process of data transmission has well-defined steps and they are executed in particular sequence. For example, if you want to send your pictures from your computer or cell phone to someone else, you need a communication system. So the main component of the communication system are sender, receiver, message, protocol, transmission medium. The first is sender. The sender is a device that initiates the communication process. Sender is a device, sender is a computer, sender is a person, sender is a speaker, or sender may be a writer also. That initiate means start communication process. It send messages consisting of text, numbers, pictures, etc. It also called source of transmitters. Here is a picture of communication component. Here is the two computers that are sending and receiving the messages. One first computer called sender and the second one is the receiver. And in the upper diagram you can see the messages you can share, and the two flags on the two computers you can see the different colors in different circles, and here is the protocol. Next one is the receiver. Receiver is a device that receives a message. It also called sync. The receiver can be a computer, printer, or other device. The receiver may be an audience or some individuals. The receiver must be capable of accepting a message. The next one is message. Message is the data or information to be communicated. It may consist of text, number, pictures, sound, audio, or any combination of these. In a data communication system, a message is sent in the form of packet. Each message has two parts, payload and control information. Payload is the actual content of our message, whereas the control information contains information about the sender and receiver, mean address of sender and receiver. Control information is also called the header of the message. The location, the address at which you send your message. It is just like a writing letter, where we write a letter along with information about its sender and receiver. In this example, your letter is a payload and your control information is the information about sender and receiver. The next one is the here is a picture. You can see sender, receiver, medium, message, protocol from sender and protocol from the receiver. The next one is a protocol. A protocol is a formal agreement between two parties. A network protocol is an arrangement between two computers to send and receive information. Simply, it is a procedure for communication between sender and receiver. Some protocols you can see in this picture. The next one is the transmission medium. Transmission medium is the physical path that connects a sender and receiver. It is used to transmit data. The medium can be copper wire. You can connect some wires or fiber optic cables, microwaves, etc. It also called a communication channel. A device may be used multiple channels at the same time. For example, if a cell phone is connected with the internet, it uses a data channel 3G, 4G, LTE for using the internet services, and voice channel for calling purpose. Data communication system component: sender, receiver, medium and messages, and the other end is the protocol.